What if we have a boy daw? May nakita kami stroller, pandalawahan. Sabi niya, oh, this is perfect. Paplano na agad ah. Gusto niya daw may baby boy kami. Hi guys! Welcome back! Kaalis kami ngayon. We're gonna go to... Where, babe? Texas Roadhouse.
Are you hungry?
Are you?
Are you?
Are you hungry ba?
Are you?
I'm asking you.
Are you hungry or no?
I'm hungry now. What
Yeah,
about
I can
you?
eat something light. I'm not super hungry.
Yeah. Because I ate lunch around 12.
Same, I ate.
Yeah. And then, binibihisan ko pa si Ellie. Of
We need to eat
course.
first though, because she'll
Yeah.
be sleeping.
Yeah. Oh, look at you. Because we have a gift card from Texas Roadhouse that we didn't use, so we're gonna use it today. Yay! Oh, she's so cute.
She needs bottoms though, or
Yeah, she
shorts.
Right here. It's
Oh,
hot.
she's got shorts
Yeah.
on. Oh, okay.
It's
she
hot.
should be
Oh,
fine.
look at you. Look at you, my Ellie. Eliana. Yung tignan niya daddy niya. Eliana, look. Ganda naman ng headband ni baby ko. Ang ganda naman ng headband na yan. Ang ganda naman ng headband na yan. Kailangan sanayan ko siya mag-headband para gusto niya magpa-headband lagi. Kasi nung nakaraan hindi ako nag-headband sa kanya, so nung sinuutan ko siya ulit, nagalit. Kaya siguro kaya kailangan sanayin ko siguro. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Gulat na gulat lagi yung mata eh. Are you ready, Lalab? Yeah? Are you ready? Are you ready to go outside? Where are we going? Where are we going? Grabe ang puti mo. Nangingitim ako sa'yo. Where are we going? Where are we going? Hi! Say, hi everyone! Hi everyone! Okay, let's go na. Let's go na. Oh, tignan mo, grabe makahawak ng kamay. Oh. Let's go na, let's go. Let's go na, Lalab. Tignan niya dada niya. Oh. Eh, tuwan-tuwa. Gala na naman. Tuwan-tuwa na naman siya. Gala na naman siya.
Oh my goodness.
Ellie, where are we going?
Just gotta get that. There you go. It's still good. It's still at shoulder level, so.
Okay. Let's go, Lala. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Ellie. Nantuwa ka na naman. Magala na naman tayo. Magala na naman tayo, love.
Really?
Tayo punta, Ellie. Saan tayo punta? Kinuha muna ni Travis yung yung package. Mainit ngayon, guys. Kaya ginanyanan ko lang ulit siya. Parang sando. What is that? Is that a This is color pink. Yeah, so this is a towel. Yeah, a towel, small towel for you. And it's color pink. Ellie, it's color pink. Yeah. Ang bilis niya lumaki, guys. Hindi ako pa rin makapaniwala. Parang, ewan ko, ang bilis ng panahon talaga, no? Hindi mo mamalayan. Hindi ko mamalayan. Sunod, grade 12 na to. Charot. Ang bilis eh, no? Oo, pero totoo, hindi mo talaga mamamalayan yung araw na, yun nga, maano mo na lang na, yan na, 3 months na siya. Yung parang feeling ko kahapon lang ako nanganak. Kasi fresh pa rin sa akin yung mga pangyayari. Yan yung daddy niya. So, pupunta kami guys sa Texas Roadhouse. Oo, wait lang ah. Andar na. Can you wait? Can you wait? Can you wait, ma'am? Can you wait? Can you wait, daddy? Can you wait for daddy?
Oh, I forgot my ring inside.
So, grab it, babe.
I'm not opening the garage again.
Fine.
I was
Hindi mo
doing
nakatingin siya,
dishes.
Iyak siya kaya hindi pa umandar. You have to wait, ha? Ang patience mo para kang si daddy mo. You have a short patience like your daddy. So, gagamitin kasi namin yung may binigay sa aming gift card. Hindi pa namin nagagamit. Ang tagal na din nun. Sabi niya, gusto mo ba kumain sa labas? Kasi hindi na talaga kami kumakain sa labas. After we bought the grill, because we love smoking fish, steak, and then, ano ba yun? Chicken. It's really good, yeah. Tsaka nakakatipid kami. Kasi nung mga dati, lagi kami sa labas kumakain kapag nagyayaya yung friend namin. Tapos kakain kami sa labas. Grabe magagastos namin, dalawa lang kami ni Travis. Siguro mga $80, ganun. Dalawa kami sa may Japanese restaurant, ganun. It depends saan kami kakain. Tapos meron dun, kinainan din namin yung parang Irish restaurant ba yun? Mahal din. I miss going to Park Lane, babe. I just miss their dessert, yeah.
That dessert is really good.
So, kumakain lang kami doon. If our friend will invite us or ask us, hey, do you guys wanna eat outside? Because they live in North Carolina. Tulog na si Ellie agad, guys. Oh, bilis na. Muulan.
Uh-oh, it's raining. Now everyone's slowing down.
It's raining.
Gotta be careful in Virginia. The second it rains, people they lose their minds.
Yeah, there's a lot of accidents here. Like, everywhere you go, like especially in the highway.
Virginia's particularly bad. A lot of
Especially on the highway, right? On or in? On the highway.
Yeah, a lot of really bad drivers.
See, they're slowing
in
down.
Virginia, specifically.
See, they slow down just because it rains. And it's not even traffic up there.
This is a highway and we're doing under 40.
Yeah.
Dangerous people.
Some people, they just want to be careful while they're driving, but they slow down.
Being too careful is dangerous for others. If you want to do 30, you should probably not drive on the highway.
There's always a back road here that you can go. Like another option. Sometimes, I mean, a lot of times I use the back road because it's not so busy. And there's not a lot of cars. We're gonna go to Texas Roadhouse first, guys. And we are planning to go to Once Upon a Child later after we eat. Okay. Andito na kami, guys. Grabe, ang busy.
Excuse you, babe.
I'm not gonna cut that. Ang busy ng wala kami ma-parkingan kaya nasa likod kami nag-parking. Tapos, ang daan pa.
Do you wanna see
What?
if they might have a chair instead?
Yeah.
Alright, are you ready?
Yeah. Sa loob na kami, guys. Kawawa naman ang baby ko. Daming tao ngayon. You're okay. We're here inside now. We're waiting, okay? Yeah, we're waiting. We're waiting.
So funny.
Dito na kami, guys. Hindi ako makakapag-vlog dito. Saglit lang. Di ba? Saglit lang.
I might be staked out.
Yan, daming tao ngayon. Oh, because it's Saturday today.
Yeah,
Thank you. Ito daw yung, is this the popular bread?
Yeah, it's good.
A lot of people likes that. Ito yung menu nila, guys.
Do you want an appetizer or anything? Do you want
Yeah, I want a pickle.
Do you want I was just thinking fried pickles.
Pickles.
Adam, we'll do the fried pickles.
Yeah.
Oh man.
I like the bread.
Ellie, you're missing out, girl.
Yeah.
Here, try it. You wanna try it? It's cinnamon.
Look at this, Ellie. Yeah. Ito na yung appetizer namin, guys. Tapos ang in-order ko, itong
You are just,
portobello.
you're staring
mushroom,
at me, huh?
chicken, tapos
Hi, baby
itong
girl.
shrimp, butter
Eliana.
corn, and then rice.
Dada. Dada.
Natuwa yung babae sa kanya, yung server. Kasi daw hindi siya sensitive sa ingay. Kaya maingay dito. Good girl. Good girl, Ellie. Yung bago na naman kaming tinapay. Tapos, ayun yung isa sa side ni Travis. Yung bago namin tinapay, guys. Cinnamon to siya. Si Ellie tulog na. Hello, uy. Grabe, kahit anong ingay at kahit anong ingay dito, nakatulog pa rin siya. Buti nasanay namin siya sa hindi siya sensitive sa ingay. Good thing she's not sensitive with the noise. Yeah.
She's good.
Minsan nga nagbabacuum pa kami sa bahay kahit tulog siya eh. Naantay ko yung order ko, guys. Dito na yung food namin, guys. Ngayon nabusog na kami. Ngayon lang dumating. Busog kami sa tinapay. Yan yung kay Travis.
Oh,
That's the
perfect.
steak, right? And then that's an applesauce. And then,
Man,
you like
that's
it?
premium meat.
And then I have the shrimp here, buttered corn, rice, and then chicken with mushroom.
Try it.
Okay, let me try. That's good.
It's not chewy like our cheap meat.
That's it. Hindi ko naubos yung pagkain ko, guys. Grabe, ang kalat ko kumain, no?
Oh my god, I had so much bread.
Yeah, ang dami namin nakain na bread. Busog na kayo. Tulog pa rin siya. Nawa ko to, guys, oh. Iuwi ko. Hindi namin siya kinain dito. Tapos manghingi pa ako isa. Babe, can we ask her about, if we can get another peanut?
I don't care, you can ask her. Or we can grab one on the way out. They got peanuts over there.
One
The
box.
They have a box of them.
Yeah. Mag-ask kami sa kanya. So, to go na lang siguro namin to.
A few moments later.
Kanina, umuulan, guys. Ngayon, grabe na naman ng araw. Tirik na naman, di ba? Hindi mo talaga malaman ng weather dito sa Virginia. And si Ellie tulog pa rin. Grabe, tuwan-tuwa yung babae doon. Sabi niya, hindi daw sensitive sa ingay si Ellie.
She's just smiling.
Yeah. Punta naman kami ngayon sa Once Upon a Child. Take out, di ba tawag sa atin? Dito kasi to go box. Papa to go tawag nila. Pag iuwi mo yung natira mong pagkain. So, let's go. Daming tao ngayon. Puno ang parking lot, oh. Ano tayo, guys? Tignan natin kung meron silang mga... Kasi meron akong, nakaano yung phone number ko kapag meron silang mga clearance, tinatext nila ako. I hope meron pa rin sila ngayon kasi nung nakaraan pa yun sila nag-message eh.
You said they have a deal here today?
I'm not sure. We have to check. Just for onesies. I'm gonna buy her a onesies. Oh, it's cold in here. Ew. Look at this.
Yeah, you're probably in the 6 to 9.
Can we go there, babe? No, I wanna go here. Right here, bodysuit. Ayan o, 10 for 10. Here. Dito ko bumili dati. Mamadali ang daddy, oh.
Time to go.
Ito, nakabili na ako ng 10, guys.
She can stay out for hours.
Yeah, me and mom can stay for... Ito, may mga shoes din sila, guys, oh. Ay, hindi pa man nagsasapato si Ellie.
we sending our baby stuff to somebody?
Yeah, to Kylie.
What if we have a boy?
What? What if we have a boy daw? May nakita kami stroller, pandalawahan. Sabi niya, oh, this is perfect. Paplano na agad ah. Gusto niya daw may baby boy kami. You wanna have baby boy?
Yeah. Here's one of those little sucky things.
Let me see. How much is that?
$5.
I think same like with them.
Well, it's so they can hold it.
Yeah, I seen that. Ano guys, pero ito lang siguro bilhin ko ngayon dito. And then uwi na kami.
Uh-oh. Oh, did you do? When did you just wake up?
So we have to grab 10 more guys because 20 pieces is $10. So we get 10 more for free. Oh my gosh! Grabe guys, nakamura ko ngayon ah. Nakamura. 20 bodysuits for $10. Uwi na kami. We'll go back home now, guys. Look at her.
Put her in there, baby.
Nakauwi na kami, guys.
Dada.
Nagduro na naman siya.
Dada.
Ellie! Eliana!
Are you stretching?
Oh my goodness.
Stretching? Night.
Nakikipag-argue na.
Bye-bye.
Look at her.
Sleepy
Night time.
What?
Ginawanan ka lang.
Oh, what? You gonna go night-night?
And go night-night. Yeah.
Is it bedtime?
Your bedtime. Wala, ay, nagtawa-tawa lang siya.
Okay. Go night-night now.
Ganyan yan. Ay, go night-night ikaw.
Go night-night.
Good night na. Hi guys, so ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga pinamili namin doon sa Once Upon a Child. Ano pala, meron pala silang deal ngayon, no? Na dapat 10 pieces ng bodysuit, $10. Tapos nakita ko doon, doon nag-type ako ng number ko. Sabi niya, meron pong deal ngayon ma'am kapag bumili ka ng bodysuit, additional $10, additional 10 pieces free. So, basically, free yung 10. So, dun pa lang sa 10 pieces for $10, nakamura ka na eh, diba? Kasi mahal yung mga pang baby clothes. Pero meron silang deal na makakabili ka ng 20 pieces, no? For $10. So, I will show you guys. Mga malalaki na yung pinili ko kasi malaki na si Ellie, guys. Ang bilis niya lumaki. Ayan. Ano to siya? Pang mga 12 months na to. Oo, pang 12 months. Ito sigurado ako kasya na sa kanya. So, lahat to pang 12 months na. Pero, marami dito kasya na sa kanya. Kasi may mga ibang damit ng pang-baby na nakalagay 12 months pero ang liit. Ayan. Yung iba, daddy niya pumili. Ito, kasya na to sa kanya for sure. Lalaban ko muna siya bago ko ipasuot sa kanya. Ito nakalagay 9 to 12 months. Ayan. Nakakatuwa. Kaya minsan natutuwa talaga ako bumili ng damit ng pang-baby. Lalo na pag may deal sila. Tapos ito, may manggas. Ay, may manggas naman ba? Medyo malaki siya. Nalaban ko siya ngayong gabi. Ang cute ng kulay nito, oh. Pag mga gantong kulay, maputi si Ellie sa ganyang kulay. Tapos pag light naman yung inaano ko, pag mga gantong kulay, parang medyo nagiging tan siya eh. Medyo. Pag medyo mga dark. Tapos pag sinuotan mo siya ng light, dun lumalabas yung kulay niya, yung medyo maputi. Yan. Color blue. Nagpila ako ng mga iba-ibang kulay kasi para iba-iba naman. Tapos marami akong pinili ng mga light colors, guys. O, diba? Ang cute nito, oh. Kasi mahilig si Ellie sa mga ganito. Yung gusto niya yung mga ganitong tela lang. Pag pinapasuot ko minsan ng mga medyo, alam niyo na, katulad nito. Yung ganito yung tela. Minsan naiirita siya. Okay naman yung tela sa loob, pero ewan ko, may mga baby atang ganun, no? Gusto lang nila yung ano lang, simpleng damit. Kahit anong pasuot ng nanay na ayusan ng nanay kung ang bata ayaw, no? Ito rin kasi mga madalas na pinapasuot ko sa kanya. Ito, liit na, oh. Siguro isang beses niya lang dito magagamit. Ayan, oh. Mga gantong, damit, kasyang-kasya na sa kanya ngayon. Diba, pang 12 months, pero ito, 6 to 9 months nakalagay. Ayan. Diba, ang dami ko nabili. Ito pa. Oh. Ito, pambahay niya, no? Ang dami na siyang pambahay. Eto, nakakatawa, oh. Pinili ni Travis. Smart, kind, and bold, just like Grandpa. Tinanong sa lolo ni Ellie. Tawan-tawa sila. Oh. Ito, ang cute, oh. Medyo maliit. Ito, medyo maliit din, oh. Mga isang gamitan niya lang talaga. So, ayun lang guys, yung vlog natin for today. Naggala lang talaga kami ngayon after ko ng trabaho, no? Kasi hindi ako nakapag-gym. And bukas na mag-gym. So, ayun lang ang vlog natin for today. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin. See you again next time. Bye!